Hello, my name is Damian Olson from Team 5401, and today I'll be showing you how to install the beta version of our safety application. It's not currently on the iTunes or Google Play Store, so we're going to show you how to install it manually today. Now, this first step of the video is going to be for iOS installation. So if you're on Android, you'll want to skip to the later part. However, if you're on iOS, let's begin. You're going to want to download the iOS installer from our Team 5401 website. You're going to then uncompress that zip file and find yourself in this directory. You'll see 3 folders: Linux, Mac, or Windows, and you'll want to click on it depending on whether or not your OS corresponds with it or not. For me, I'm on Windows. You'll then want to click this impactor.exe or Impactor, whatever format it is for your OS. This software is called Cydia Impactor, and it'll help us sideload the application onto your device, or in other terms, install it. You'll want to attach your iOS device to your computer via USB, and wait for it to pop up on Cydia Impactor. You'll then want to go back to the original directory, and you see this frcsafety.ipa? This is actually the software we'll be installing. You'll want to take this, click, and drag it down to the Cydia Impactor. You'll then wait for it to say copy, and then drop it. Now you'll either want to already have an iTunes account or create one right now. So if you want, pause the video and go do that. Now that we all have one, you'll want to log in with it. Now wait a second. This Apple password isn't your actual password. What you'll want to do is go and look up Manage Your Apple ID. You'll then want to log in to iTunes and come to this page. Now your security portion may have Enable Two-Step Verification. If it's not already enabled, you'll want to do that. However, if it is, you'll want to come down here to app-specific passwords, and you'll want to generate a password. Now I'm going to name this FRC Safety Tutorial. You can name this password whatever you want. You'll then want to create the password, and it'll show you a random bit of characters like this. This is what you'll actually use to log into Cydia Impactor with. You'll want to copy and paste it into Cydia Impactor. I'm going to skip ahead, but this installation will most likely take a few minutes. After it's done, it should prompt you back to the original way it was set up. However, we're not done yet. You can't quite use it yet. You'll want to make sure your iOS device is connected to some sort of Wi-Fi or cellular network. Then you'll want to go to Settings, General, and scroll all the way down to Profiles and Device Management. Then you'll see your name or your email underneath Developer App. You'll want to click on that and verify it. Mine's already verified, so I don't need to do this. Remember, you do have to be on a network for it to be verified. Then you'll want to go back, and you're all ready to go.
On the Android side of things, this is much easier. First, you'll want to download the APK from our Team 5401 website. Then after that, you'll use whatever file manager you want, in this case I'm using 7-Zipper, and navigate to your Downloads folder. You'll then look for FRC Safety 1.0 APK, click on it, allow for installation, and install it. After you're done installing, you can jump right into it.